Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to your monitor or your TV screen. So let's start with a port. This is the port for Nintendo Switch, and we're gonna move into the back of it and open the case like this. You just pull to yourself like this and it opens. And inside we have three cables. One is AC adapter, the second is USB, and the third one is HDMI out. So we're gonna connect them. Let's start with HDMI. So HDMI should be connected to your monitor or your TV screen, and then the output needs to be connected right here. And next one is AC adapter, which needs to be connected to the power source, and then the back needs to be connected to your port, like this. So now it's connected. We can move cables to our gap right here, then close the case, and it's ready for the console to be inserted, like this. Now we're gonna jump into our Nintendo Switch. And what you need to do is to remove the joypads. And you do this by pressing this button on the back side of your console and just pulling the joypads up like this, and this one the same, like this. So now we have the bare console and we can place it inside our port with the screen facing the front side of the port, and the power here needs to be down like so, and we place it inside. Now it's connected to our port, and we can connect our joypads to our connection signal, like so. You get these connectors, or either you can use the joystick that is in the bundle as well. But I'm gonna use them. So you just rail them in like that, and they are connected. And the same is with the second one, the blue one. We just slide it in like this, minus with minus and plus with plus. So they are connected. Now we can enable our console and make sure that they are actually working. And you need to press this button, then the light will load and it will just stay here. Then that means they are connected. And the same one with the red, you just need to connect it. And now we should be able to just move freely around the main menu like this and play any games that we want. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.